Hi guys, and welcome to my channel and what not to do with your frontals. No, I'm joking. But as you know, we are struck down with self-isolation. I have to now do my own wigs. So I literally plucked this myself, even though, oof, child, you can see that I plucked it myself because I did a patchy job. But let's not go there. Let's not go there today. This wig here, guys, is from Abby Hair on AliExpress. And this wig here, oh my word, it's so beautiful. I'll show you what it looked like before because I bleached it. Did a bit of like highlights at the front. Not even highlights, I just bleached the front, that's it. But yeah, this wig is beautiful, guys. And I can't believe I actually styled it. Decent. It was, it's quite easy to style. So let me show you how I did it. So what I did is I placed it on my big head first. And then I cut the lace halfway first. And then I cut the other lace halfway. And that was it. No, I find it very hard to cut laces, guys. I won't lie to you. Oh my word, the front's looking so patchy. Oh my gosh. No, but we're getting there. Don't worry, guys. We're getting there. Because if you see the end results, you'll see how this wig is so nice that even beginners can style this wig. Because I'm even less than a beginner because I've seen some beginners and boy, they're better than me. Let me just tell you that. So as you can see, the concentration on my face cutting this lace here is real because boy. Anyways, I'm using glue. I like to use glue these days as I've got to be because I only use a little bit of glue. I don't use a thick amount. As you can see, it's literally just tiny bit of glue that I use, and this glue is really, really good, so I'll list it down below. So yeah, it just takes 10 seconds to make sure, by the way, the glue is completely dry. I couldn't bother to wait, so I just placed it on my head. But make sure the wig is completely dry. Sorry, the glue is completely dry, and then just place it on, and as you can see, it's stuck onto your head, literally. And it's easy to remove. Just get some oil or glue remover. But yeah, I'm just going to plug a bit more because it looks a bit thick at the front. And that's it. I glued down half of one side, and then I glued down the front. I didn't glue down the right side. Well, my left, your right. And I'm trying to do a middle part. As you can see, look at the concentration in my face yet again, guys, because I can't do middle parts. I find it so hard. I did that at least 500 times to try and perfect it, but I think we got there in the end. So this is the hair in its natural state, all bushied out. I'm going to use a bit of mousse just to flatten the top because we don't want any any bulky wigs now, do we? We want it nice and flat. Get the trusty flat iron, hot comb, This hot comb's amazing. I love this hot comb, guys. One time I tried to style my wig without it. I had to take the wig right off because, come on. I tried to do some baby hairs. Like you know already, I can't do baby hairs to save my life. But I used the Dr. Miracle Edge Control. And the baby hairs kind of, they came out alright. They came out cute enough. The pictures banged, I won't lie. I'll show you the pictures. Beautiful. I just love this hair. I love the texture of it. I love how thick it is. I like how you can wet it and bing bang boom, it goes to a nice texture again. As you can see, I'm wetting it. This is my spray bottle I got from eBay. It's a mist bottle. Get a mist bottle, guys, because it's amazing. Then a spray bottle because it's just it's just a nice mist. It even feels good on your face. But this is how you know I haven't been outside for ages. Oh my word. This is in the mist bottle. There's some leave-in conditioner. And I use a bit more mousse also, just to make sure the curls pop a bit more and they stayed longer. Just putting it behind my ear because I love my ear out. You know me, I love a cheeky ear. I just want to be me. I just love it. I love it. It's a bit of me. So there we go, guys. This hair is beautiful. Love this wig. One of my favorites. I'm so glad I dyed it. But guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.